Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Sunday brunch edition of our Cruise News Show. We got some cruising stories for you today, and we got some money-saving tips. We'll get into all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, it is November the 21st, the beginning of Thanksgiving week, and I'd like to start off by saying thank you to everybody who provided me well wishes and encouragement on my eye. Hopefully it does get better here shortly. Got my fingers crossed on that one. All my blood work and everything, I'll get back on Tuesday, and we'll see what's going on with it then. Our cruise countdown continues. We are down to 49 days till our next cruise. Just counting them days off one day closer. Super excited about that one. And an update on our current Christmas card count. As you can see here behind me, we are actually all caught up on Christmas cards. They're ready to go. We have about 5 days left before we hit the 1-year channel anniversary, where we will send Carnival Cruise Lines one Christmas card for every subscriber that we have. Like I said, we're all caught up and be ready to send those out this upcoming weekend after we do the 1-year anniversary show. We had a couple of big cruise news stories here this last week. The first one, of course, being that Norwegian Cruise Lines is no longer doing testing at the terminal for each and every passenger boarding the ship. Now, what Norwegian Cruise Lines is having everybody do is take a test prior to arriving at the cruise terminal, the 2 days prior, just like all of the other cruise lines, for fully vaccinated guests. However, if you get to the cruise terminal and you don't have results or have not received your results yet, you can, of course, take a test there at the cruise terminal still, but they are going to charge for that. So that is the change from Norwegian this week. And of course, the big controversial change from Disney Cruise Lines, where they are now requiring all cruise passengers ages 5 and above to be fully vaccinated. So if you remember before, it was 12 and above. Well, now that children ages 5 to 11 can receive the Pfizer vaccine, Disney has changed their health and safety protocols and is requiring everybody 5 and 11 to be fully vaccinated. Not necessarily the most popular choice that Disney has ever made. I can understand it. They want everybody safe. They want everybody healthy. They want everybody vaccinated on the ship. But when it comes to people vaccinating their kids, like I said, that's a bit of a controversial subject. We have not seen the other cruise lines mandate that yet. So far, it has only been Disney Cruise Line. The Norwegian Joy, another cruise ship back in service. She has begun sailing from Miami, doing 7-day Caribbean cruises. So another Norwegian cruise ship back in service, taking paying passengers, more choices and more options for those of us that love to cruise. Also in Miami, the ultra luxury cruise line Seaborn Ovation has arrived as well. She is going to be doing sailings from Miami down to the Caribbean, the Panama Canal, and Central America. Now this luxurious 604 passenger cruise ship, so she is smaller than some of the mega cruise ships that we have out there. You know, you look at some of your Oasis class that carry thousands and thousands of people. Well, the Ovation only carries 604 passengers. So if you're looking for a luxury cruise, an ultra luxury cruise, then take a look at the Seaborn Ovation, which will be sailing out of Miami. And finally, a money-saving tip, because who doesn't like to save money? We all like to save money on our cruising any chance that we get. Well, I'm sure everybody is aware that Black Friday's coming up. We're going to have Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Travel Tuesday. So you have the opportunity, if you do not have a cruise booked, to get some really good deals, some reduced rates, some discounts on your deposits. So if you don't have a cruise booked, definitely take a look. But another opportunity to save some money, and there was another YouTube content creator out there who actually put this story out, something that I was not even aware of myself, but it's such a good money-saving tip, I definitely had to share it. If you already have a cruise booked, go into your cruise planner over Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Travel Tuesday, and see if there are any discounts on products and services for your upcoming cruise, such as can you get a discount on the Wi-Fi, a drink package, spa services, specialty dining. There may be opportunities to save some money there, anywhere 20, 30, 40, 50% off of those services. Even if you already have the cruise booked and you haven't purchased those yet, take a look over this weekend and see if you can get a discount, particularly if there's something that you want. Hey, it's an opportunity to save a little bit of money. Just remember, not every cruise line may do it. Not every cruise line may have the best deal out there, but it's at least worth taking a look at because you never know. Save a few dollars. And like I said, who doesn't like to save money? Particularly this time of year, you know, we got Christmas coming up and all the expenses that can go along with that. So take a chance, save some money. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's Sunday Brunch edition. If you have, do me a favor, give the video a thumbs up. Have yourselves a great week, and we will see you out on the high seas.